What's good, Queendom crew? Welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nene, the one and only. And I'm out of breath, girl. Woo! I just ran up my stairs trying to grab something for this wig review, child. Okay. So, today I am giving you guys another bob wig review. It is not on this gorgeous bob that I'm wearing right now. Perfect for summer, super affordable. But if you guys want to know about this bob, which was my last video, you guys can watch to the end and I will put it in the end screen. So you don't even gotta go looking for it. This is gonna be right there for you, okay? Today I'm going to give you guys a review on a faux lock wig. It is also a short summer style and it is also really affordable. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. But before we get started, I have to tell you about the accessories that I'm wearing right now, including these earrings, necklace, and my Wig Game Strong shirts. These are all from my website, anotherqueenstreasure.com, where we have accessories for every queen. Any type of accessories or wigs you may need is on my website. And when you guys shop with me, you are not only supporting your girl, but you are also enabling me to bring you more and more wig reviews because it helps fund this amazing YouTube channel. So make sure you guys click the link in the description, or when you're going to the comments to say, hey girl, hey, click the link that is pinned and the link to my store will be there. And I would very much appreciate it, you guys. Even if you don't get anything, just clicking, looking, and most importantly, sharing my website or any of my videos definitely helps me out. So make sure you guys make that happen for me before you leave. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to show you guys this unit. So you guys, this unit is by Zury Sis. And I saw this unit a lot of different places. I did not get this unit when it first came out because I wasn't that heavy into wigs then, and I didn't kind of find out about it until later in the game. Now this wig, like I said, is a bob style, which is great for the summertime because it's hot, and it's also very affordable. Now this one is a lace front wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. This is what the unit looks like. So it is a bob. As you can see, it's pretty short, and it has these spiral faux locks. Now, there's a thing about braid wigs and faux lock wigs that are kind of a pet peeve for me, and that is filler hairs. Filler hairs that are not the same texture of the wig just drive me nuts, and I honestly cannot deal with them. Thank God this unit does not look like it has any filler hairs, as you can see. There's no random straight hairs in there. It looks like it is twisted from the scalp or the cap. So there are not filler hairs that I can see, or not major ones that are like a pet peeve for me. Like I told you, it'll be like a short hair unit, this texture in the middle of the wig to hide the wig cap. Like, that's disgusting. So we don't have that problem, thank God. So here's the construction. This is a lace front. You get a little bit of baby hairs, looks like. Yep. And this is the parting space. Now, I am impressed with the parting space because, one, I don't think I would be able to tweeze this without having to retwist. And the parting space actually looks pretty decent. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to try this on. Take a look at these combs. They are to the side. It's a little bit different from, oh boy, you scared me, from the norm. And then there are also is a comb on the side, and then there's also one in the back, and there are adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on, and I will give you guys all of my honest opinions, pros, cons, and everything in the end, so make sure you guys keep watching. All right, queens, let's go ahead and discuss this unit. And it has a C part pre-tweezed. I have it in the color 1B, and this is a lace front wig. Now, you guys, let's go ahead and talk about this unit. So I'm gonna give you the not the cons. I'm gonna give you the pros first, the good things. The unit is big head friendly. Big head gang, what's good? It is big head friendly. I'm not feeling any tightness, any snightness. Like, it feels comfortable. Now, what I will say is the unit probably looks a little bit shorter on me on camera because I am very tall, therefore I have a long neck, and it's looking shorter than what I think is supposed to look on the typical lady, okay? But it's looking a little bit shorter. Now, I like it shorter because it's summertime. Like I tell y'all all the time, it's hot where I'm at, okay? It's hot and it's muggy. So I do like that it's shorter, but it may be a little bit longer on you. Now, I did not receive any shedding or tangling because I did not, of course, comb or brush through this, but there was some strings that was attached through the wig. I went ahead and cut them. A lot of braid wigs have these strings and they're supposed to hold the braids in a certain position, I guess, so you don't have any like open spaces. I always cut mine because I like to run my fingers through, and catching in that string is just like ill to me. So I always cut mine, and I did cut mine for this unit. Now, what I will say is that I think the locks are mimicked very well. I think the parting space is very nice for the price. This unit was very inexpensive. I think it was like $25, you guys. So for it to not look like trash, I think that is very good for that price. And I do like the way the wig looks overall. So you guys let me know what you think about Zury Sis Wella. And if you are feeling the faux lot wig. Now, it does not come with these hair jewelries. I just added these on. But of course, you can add on to your own as you see necessary. So thank you guys so much again for watching to the end of this video. Make sure you guys check out my website, anotherqueentreasure.com. Share this video, and of course, if you're not a member of the Queendom, you need to subscribe like now, like yesterday, really, but you here now, so go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.